Hello everyone, my name is Isaglish and welcome. Now the reason you're watching this video is probably because your PC or your friend's PC is having rare stuttering issues that not only affects your video but also the audio, which lasts for about 1 to 2 seconds. Here's an example.
There we go.
Now if you don't know, Windows 11 has a requirement for AMD users to have TPM on their PC for security reasons in order to run Windows 11 properly. Now I've been using this laptop for probably a year now and I've had that issue for about a week until I did a lot of researching about it and figured out that you could disable your PC's TPM. The bug AMD had was with fTPM, F standing for firmware, but disabling your TPM doesn't have any impact on your OS's performance, at least from my experience. Now in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable your TPM. Note that this method might not work on all computers running with the AMD Ryzen chip. The model of the laptop I am using is the Acer Aspire A7-1542G with AMD Ryzen 7 5700U with Radeon graphics running on Windows 11. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is shut your computer down. Once you've done that and your computer is completely shut down, then you want to hold F2 and the shutdown button together. That will be Function, F2, and the shutdown button for laptop keyboards. Once you've done all of that, then you're in your BIOS now. You're gonna want to use your arrow keys to go to the security section, and here you can see the set supervisor password. Now I'm gonna set mine. Once you're done, just press save and OK. Now that it is enabled, then you wanna go to the change TPM state and disable it. Mine's already disabled because I've already done it way before I thought about making this video. And we're done. Thank you for watching this video and I hope I help you fix your problem. And I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Peace.